Hi everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad to have you. My name is Jenna Lynn, and if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. I really appreciate it, and I just wanted to touch on something really quick and apologize for being gone for 2.5 months. I haven't been here. I have filmed many hauls, I did Vlogmas, I did everything, but there has been so much going on. I mean, good, bad, there's just a lot been going on, and my head just wasn't there to get it edited and get it uploaded, but I did miss it. I thought about it every day. I did film, I just didn't get it up. Sorry if you hear a little background noise. My dogs are in the room with me. They're around me 24/7, but they don't know how to be quiet. But anyway, so today's video is going to be a clean with me video. It's going to be taking down my Christmas decorations in our bedroom, which I didn't get to show because I didn't film during Christmas, but I did give you a little sneak peek in the front, which you will see in the beginning of the video. And I did want to touch up that when I was filming it, it wasn't recording me taking everything off my tree. So I apologize about that, but you can kind of see me taking it down. And just freshening up my bedroom for the new year. That's one thing I do every new year, is just go through my house, declutter, and really clean, and just make it feel just fresh and still warm and cozy, but calming. And I don't like a bunch of clutter, and I will miss the Christmas decorations. Like, it's kind of love-hate. Like, I do miss it when it's gone. I miss all the color and the festivity, and I feel like it gets kind of boring. But this year I'm going to try and just keep out a little bit and do more winter decorations, because we have spring, we have fall, we have summer, but we usually don't leave any winter decorations. We take all of our Christmas stuff down, it's kind of stark. So this year I'm going to incorporate a little bit of winter decor. I feel like a lot of whites and neutrals. It still reflects like snow. I do live in Kentucky. We do get snow here. Not super often. It kind of depends on the year. We've been having a lot of mild winters, but we do get snow. It is cold. So I'm going to leave out some winter decor and any of my Christmas decor that could kind of go with winter decor. I'm going to leave some out. I'm going to try and make it cozy but still clean. And I also want to touch on my New Year's resolution this year. Since this is the first video of the new year, my New Year's resolution is focusing on me, just my overall happiness, making sure that I make myself come first. Some people might see that as selfish, but I never do that. So I'm going to try and focus more on me and what I want, and stick with my ambitions. Try and keep myself a little bit more motivated. It's hard to do, especially in a busy day-to-day life. And I have been somewhat on a weight loss journey, not intentional. I've always wanted to kind of get fit, but I have lost 21 pounds. And I'm hoping to lose a little bit more. It's not necessarily a number with me. I just want to get overall healthy and just tone. So I'm working on that. If you guys would like to see a video on that, definitely let me know. I'm not doing a whole lot. I'm just been losing it, which is good, but now I need to start, working out more, and I'm going to be doing that at home. I don't live near a gym, so these are going to be all tips of how I do and work out at home. So if you want to see that, let me know. But my New Year's resolution is all about me, just my happiness, and me and my husband kind of made a goal together, and that is to try and spend at least an hour a day together. We'll see how that goes. We haven't succeeded so far, but, well, we did. We hung out for a little bit yesterday, but my husband went to sleep as soon as he got in from work because he didn't sleep the night before. But that's understandable. But our goal is to try and spend at least an hour a day uninterrupted, no phones, no TV, no people, because we do live with our parents. Well, our parents live with us. When we bought this house, both sets of parents, well, his dad and my parents moved in with us. And we love it overall. We like having them near. We help each other out. We help them out whenever they need it, which is nice, and I just like having them close by. But so yeah, so alone time we don't ever get, but we're gonna try and set at least an hour a day together, and then also try and go on at least one date a month, because we don't date, which is sad, but we really haven't gone on dates. Well, I can tell you. I mean, our last date, we go on places with like siblings and other couples and stuff, but never alone. But our last date together, other than our trip we just took, had been a year. So our goal was to try and at least go on one date a month. It doesn't have to be going out, just something, being creative. But I'll let you guys know how that goes. But I don't want to make this intro too crazy long. I feel like it's really long already. We're at like 5 minutes. But I kind of just want to touch up on things because I've been gone for so long. But yeah, I think we're going to go ahead and get into this cleaning video. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. I definitely appreciate it and love having people add to the fam and come in and joining me. Also, leave me a comment down below and let me know your New Year's resolutions. I know I want to see them. I love hearing other people's New Year's resolutions. And they also, I feel like when you share them with everybody, helps motivate each other. And I think that's what we're here for, this fam, this community, is really help motivating each other. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get on into the video, and I hope you guys really enjoy this. And yeah, I will check in periodically through the video. I'm going to have some music, but I'll check in here and there. But I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye! I have not showed my room on this channel for Christmas. It's a current disaster. If you have cats, you know what it's like. My cat climbs this tree. I'm missing some of the branches in the back. The ribbon's all messed up. It's just looking like a hot mess, and it's time to come down. I even have some of my subscription boxes I stuck under my tree when I got them. Need to get them put away. They're pretty much empty. There's a few things left in there. This is a mantle we put up. My room is not done. We haven't even started remodeling or like fixing up our room. So, gotta take all the Christmas decorations down. There's some over there, but this is current state of my room, you guys. It is a mess. There is stuff everywhere. I've got pants I took off last night, my heater because I was freezing last night, which I hope I'm not getting sick because I'm never cold. Just stuff on my nightstands, all the power cords. My bed is a mess. I did not make it today because I knew I had to wash it. There's just blankets and pillows everywhere. And of course, all the dogs and their toys. They've got toys everywhere in here. Knocked off ornaments from my cat climbing the tree. This is my husband. This is what happens. I don't know if you guys have husbands like mine, but I swear they don't know where trash cans are, laundry baskets are. Like, if there's a laundry basket, they will literally throw their clothes next to the laundry basket, never put them in. This is him. He comes in, he literally takes his clothes off, puts them on the floor, and goes to bed, and that's it. He thinks the cleaning fairy, he believes in the cleaning fairy, I swear, will come through, which I do, and pick it all up. So we gotta pick up all that, and his shoes. I mean, it's everywhere. This room, guys, is embarrassing. There's so much stuff. So we're gonna get into this and get this room cleaned.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Time, we know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Though I've tried, I just keep falling all over again. And our hands are tight, can't fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? And we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
take a chance? Will you let me ride? Way, oh, way, oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. You got me singing. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way, oh, oh. Boy, take a chance. Will you let me ride? Way, oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way, oh, oh. Maybe let's take a drive. Take a drive. Take a drive. Way, oh, way, oh, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh. Way, oh, way,
So I don't know about you all, but duvet covers can be a total pain in the butt to get on your bed, I feel like. And I wanted to be able to share a couple tips with you and how I do it in the easiest way that I found to get it on, especially doing it by yourself. And you want to start off with opening it up and sticking your hands in it and turning it inside out. Once you get that done, you want to go ahead and spread it on your bed and lay it out flat on all four corners. And I always keep mine zipper side down. I just feel like it's easier to do it that way, but do it however you make it feels easiest for you. But that's how I've always done it. But either way would work, honestly. I just feel like when you get to the bottom of it, it's just easier to zip it up. But go ahead and lay it out all four corners evenly. And once you get that done, you're going to go ahead and grab your duvet cover and you're going to lay that over top. I'm sorry, not duvet cover, the duvet insert, like your down comforter or whatever. You want to lay that out over top of your duvet cover the same way, all four corners, smoothly. And then I just make sure it kind of lines up. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it definitely makes it a little easier. Just make sure it lines up though together. And once you get that done, this is when it comes into kind of doing it by yourself. It's not it's kind of awkward, and it's definitely easier with two people if you've got one on each side of the bed rolling it at the same time. But you don't necessarily have to have two people. If it's just you, which mainly most of the time it is just me, I just get on my bed and I go ahead and roll it down like this. And once you get it all the way down to the bottom, this part might be a little bit hard to explain, but if you can try and watch, you want to stick your hand into that corner and you want to flip it over the roll. And you want to go ahead and wrap it all the way around the roll on both sides. And it won't look right at first, but trust me, it will work out for you. It might take a couple tries to figure it out, but I promise you it is easy once you get the hang of it, and you'd be like, man, why didn't I do this sooner? But once you get that done, you just want to go ahead and start unrolling it. It will start unrolling a little bit naturally. You gotta fight with it sometimes. It feels like it gets tangled up, but once you get it going, it's good. You just unroll it and you unroll it all the way out flat on your bed again, and it will be outside right like it is now, and the insert will be on the inside, and you just go ahead and zip it up or button it up or however your cover is. And I found this way out several years ago, and it made my life so easy. It literally takes me like 2 minutes to do this by myself, and you don't have to fight with it no more. And that's it, y'all, for today's video. I don't know about you, but when you take down your Christmas decorations, it always feels like a whole new room, and my room just feels so much bigger and just clean and fresh and exactly what I wanted for the new year. And I definitely like it so far, and I can't wait to start remodeling it. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you want to check out my other videos that I have posted, they're linked above for you, and they're always in the description box down below. And if you haven't subscribed already, again, consider doing so. I definitely appreciate it. And until next time, you guys, thanks so much for checking out my videos, and I'll see y'all super soon.